Hi, welcome back to engineering drawing. I'm your Dr. Vasu. Let us see another problem on the line inclined to both the planes. The distance between the end projectors is 60 mm. Okay. End A is 25 mm above HP. Let's mark it. Reference line. 25 mm above the reference line. Okay. A dash is taken here. This is A dash. And 45 mm in front of VP. So end A is 45 mm in front of VP. 45 at a 45 mm distance, draw a line, and A must be lying on this line. And also draw a projector here from A dash. You get A, the intersection point. So A is known. Now what else? We can mark the point B also, while the other end B is 60 mm above HP. At a height of 60 mm, we draw a locus here. This is the locus of B in the front view. And 15 mm in front of VP. Point B is 15 mm in front of VP. So here it is. This is the locus of B in the top view. So this is 15 mm. Now, this is the data given. And what else? The distance between the end projectors. So let's mark this 60 mm. A dash, right? From here, you draw a line here at a 60 mm distance, and this is 60. This is the distance between the end projectors. Okay. Now, B dash must be lying on this projector. And also we know that front view of B lying on this. That means this intersection point is B dash. So note it as B dash. So here, point B, top view lying on this, and also on this projector. So this intersection point will be B. Now join A dash, B dash, the front view. Mark this point as B, join AB, okay, the top view. And here, this is the apparent angle in the front view, and this is the apparent angle in the top view, alpha, beta. Okay, so the final projections are given. So all this data only led to giving the final projections of the line. Now we have to find the true length, and inclination with the HP and VP, theta and phi. So let's find it. So here we assume that the line is making angle with both the planes. Here you can observe. So let's make it parallel to HP. Rotate this end B downwards until it is made parallel to HP. So A dash, B2 dash is the front view. Now, when it is made parallel to HP. So, from B2 dash, draw a projector, and we know the locus of B in the top view. So, this point will be B2 dash. Okay. This is B2 dash, and also this is the true length of the line. Joining this point with this, we get the true length of the line. So, true length is known, and this is a true inclination, phi. This line is at a phi angle with VP. Now, knowing the true length of the line, we from A dash draw an arc here intersecting the locus of B in the front view, and that is called, say, B1 dash. That means assuming the line parallel to VP. In the front view, we see true length and true inclination. So join A dash, B1 dash. This is the true length. This same true length is taken and marked here. Now, this line will be making angle theta. This is theta, angle with the HP. So we have find out the true length of the line and the true inclinations theta and phi with the HP and VP. Okay. Hope you had understood this topic, this problem very well. And if you have any queries, do comment, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.